So at this point, you're probably scratching your head wondering, Will, what the heck are you doing, man? You sold your Porsche, you loved it so much, and you decided to buy a van. Yes, my friends, I decided to sell my Porsche after owning it for approximately 3 years. I think it was 2 years and 8 months. I bought the car with 62,000 miles, and at the point I sold it, it had 88,000 miles. I sold it for many different reasons, which I'm not going to get into in this video, but I wanted to create this quick video for you guys to show you that I sold my Porsche and I decided to buy a van. The van that I bought is a Promaster city van from Dodge. I've been looking around a lot for this van because they're almost non-existent. As a matter of fact, no automobiles are in existence at the moment at dealerships, as you can tell, because there's a chip shortage. But anyways, guys, I bought this van. I've been doing a lot of research and I thought this was a perfect fit for me. So now you might be wondering, Will, what are you going to do with this van? Why did you buy this van? You sold a Porsche and you bought a van. This is absolutely crazy. I know. I really understand. And I would be frustrated too, wondering why I bought this van if I didn't know. But in the next couple of videos to come, you guys are going to understand, hopefully, why I bought this van and why I made the decision that I did. So stay tuned for the next couple of episodes where I explain why I bought this van and what I plan to do with it. But until then, I will see you guys on the next episode. Take care. Ciao for now.